So hey guys, how are you all doing? In today's video, you're going to get the cream of CapCut 15.0. You'll get a zip file in this video, but don't skip the video because the password for this cream will be given in this very... If you're new to Cap, then it's no problem at all. But if you're an old user, then you'll have to delete your old CapCut. Otherwise, you won't be able to fix this problem. Guys, the details I'll share with you will only work on our special cream version, otherwise you might miss out on a lot of features. So you might have this question, bro, I can't see these features. So first of all, you need to have a Cap account. To create a Cap account, you can use your own email or a temp email. If you want to use a temp email, just go to the Google Play Store, search for temp email and install it. With this, every day or whenever you refresh, you'll get unlimited email accounts. There are no charges for this. You might see ads from time to time. Here, you need to copy your email, and after copying it, go to Google and search for KP signup. If you already have a Cap account, then I would suggest something to you. Create a new account. On your old Cap account, some features might be missing, and if you're already logged into Cap, you won't be able to sign up. That's why you'll need to log out first. So after signing up for Cap, you'll get an option related to email like this. Here, paste your email, then enter your date of birth and name, set a password, and click Done. Your account is created. Now guys, if you're from India, you'll also need a VPN along with Cap. Without a VPN, you won't be able to use Cap. So what do you need to do for this in India? For this, to use Cap in India, you need a top quality VPN so that it's completely undetectable that you're using Cap in India through a VPN. So I have a VPN called Super Unlimited Proxy VPN, which I always use, and I have two absolute favorite servers on it. The first is Singapore and the second is Switzerland, and I always use these two servers. You'll get buttery smooth speed, you won't even notice anything. The VPN is perfectly fine to use, but it is important to make sure to install it completely beforehand, and you should only sign up for Cap after successfully connecting to the Singaporean or Swiss server. Otherwise, you might encounter a significant not found problem because you are attempting to use Cap from within India. Guys, this is the best technique I have observed so far. So your Cap account, meaning before running it, set up the VPN. That's done. Yes, you should install Zarchiver because without it, you won't be able to use the password for the zip file with the creamy butter content. Just follow the settings shown, click on the file, click on extract, it will ask for a password, enter it, and that's how you'll unlock it for installation. You'll find the zip file password in the video, but make sure to watch the entire video carefully, you'll definitely get it 100%. But if you skip, you won't get it just by asking in the comments. Once your cupboard is ready, when you open it, you'll get some notifications. Just dismiss them and click on New Project. After that, add a project and see. Once you click on Effect, you'll start seeing a lot of effects. But first, you need to check whether your effects are also appearing in the export. So guys, I've applied an effect here and exported it. Now look, the project I applied the effect to is playing smoothly. The effect has been applied, which means your effect will appear in the export. Now, is it important for us to log in? Guys, if you want to use AI features in CapCut, then you'll have to log in. But if you don't care about AI, then just use it without logging in. There's no need to log in. Yeah, but you might encounter something here. What that is, you'll find out soon enough. Look, to log in, you need to go back, click on account, then click on sign in here and enter your email and password. Logging in with email means you'll enter your email and password and you'll be logged in. The setup is done. And now, after doing just this, close and open CapCut and then check again. When you go to the project, you'll see options like Ultra and others. Along with export, you'll also notice a new feature. This will make the quality of your videos even better. So make sure to enable it and don't forget to turn on flow. Because when your effect is being rendered, it will smooth everything out and give you that in the export. You are now logged in. You've already received your first benefit. By clicking on IR like and AI music, you can get non-copyright background music for your videos, and guys, you can also take backups. You get up to 5 GB of backup. But even after this, if you're still having problems with your caption, go to account, go to settings, and turn on the business tool there. Now close it and open it again. Problem solved. How did you like this video, guys? If you enjoyed the video or found it informative, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, join the Telegram channel, guys. What's the next video going to be about? Take a guess. Leave a comment. But whatever happens, I'm going to bring a really amazing video about CapCut. It's possible that out of my 200 YouTube channel subscribers, 150 people might love it. Bro, our family has gotten really small, hasn't it? What can we do? Everyone, after reaching the top, goes from the ground to the sky and then from the sky back to the ground. That's exactly what's happening. Now, you guys don't subscribe, you just watch the videos and skip through them. Once you get what you need, you leave. No worries, my time will come too, bro. Just leave a comment. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.